Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with snow. First, let's gather our main ingredient, fresh snow. It's crucial to collect clean, white snow from an undisturbed spot, away from roads or foot traffic. Aim for about 8 to 10 cups of snow, ensuring it's free of any debris. This pure base is essential for delicious, safe snow ice cream. Next, we'll prepare the creamy base. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves. You can use any type of milk you prefer, including dairy-free options, to suit your taste. This mixture forms the sweet foundation for your treat. Now for the fun part, combining. Gradually add the 8 to 10 cups of fresh snow to your prepared cream mixture, stirring gently as you go. Don't dump it all in at once. Add it slowly to ensure even incorporation. Continue stirring until the snow is fully mixed and the consistency resembles soft serve ice cream. It's magical how quickly it transforms. Your homemade snow ice cream is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately in bowls or cones for the freshest taste and best texture. Feel free to customize your creation with your favorite toppings, like chocolate syrup, sprinkles, or fresh fruit. This simple recipe yields about 4 servings of a delightful, frosty treat. Enjoy your unique, snowy dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.